Hello, welcome to our channel. So, first of all, I'm discuss one of the best topic about the social media links. We have multiple social media links. That all multiple social media links, how we can adding for in one place. We can adding for particular one place. That is called. I'm checking for one of the website name is called iamfit.in. In this particular website, I have to create what are the social icons are there? Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and website. We are totally five links are there. Coming to this Twitter. So many links will be here. Or we can Telegram link or WhatsApp link. So many options are there. So that all options, there is the only one link will be displayed. So how we can represent that link on your particular using for that social media platforms. That is the purpose. One of the website name is called Linktree. Linktree dot double E is a website. You can go for it. The option name is called I am fit. First of all, the username is available is compulsory important. Some are already taken. We can call for here is that. So this one. So what do we reckon? I am fit Jim Madhapur. Create account first. Ask into password here and click for continue to your particular password. So click for continue. There is a simple steps you can follow. First of all, username, email address, and everything. So here, tell us your name. I am fit Zim. That is called one content will be using will be here. That is okay. Continue. So what is it? Select your category. Business, creative, education, entertainment, fashion, beauty, food and beverage, government and politics, health and fitness, non-profit, other, everything. What is that? Health and wellness. Where it is called fitness, and we can call healthcare, or we can only set only one option. What is called fitness will be here. Sir, my related category is not available. What we can go with? Select will be business. If related category not available, select for the business option. This link tree, if n number of social media icons, we can represent in one link, can show for every platform will be added into the where in a YouTube, Facebook, where you can add this link. Automatically, when people click the link option, they can see the all social media will be follow the particular users. Continue. So this is a free or paid. It is a free and paid. Both can will be applicable. So what we can selecting for only free version. There is a number of plans are there. We are selecting only for free version. Unlimited links and link apps. Click and views for past 28 days. Collect payment tips and donations. 0% transaction fees for a limited time is the first option. Join is the free. So paid can will join or not. Can join by paid also, but which is looking for we are looking for only for free version. Continue to my link tree. So if anyone asking for, so how we can share the link for the particular user? This is the link for the you can share link tr.ee slash I am fit zim madhapur. This is a URL. So compulsory, what is the domain name? Same name we can using for the username option. Sir, my domain name is not available. Write as a official. You can write something like that is important. First of all add links. Add links will be here. First add link will be your website link. Add. So you ask him one question. Please confirmation your email. What we can go for? Go to Google, go to Gmail. What are the email you sign up? If we compulsory asking the verification, please verify your email. First important task is called verify the email option. Previous like this, they will be visible. Now will be showing will be successfully verified your account and continue to buy your particular option. Refresh it. See here, previous confirmation asking will be here. Still is not continue. So you have to wait for the time. So it will take some time will be here. Yeah, done. Now you can refresh. Now it is done. So link will be added. It is how we can show to the particular customer. Copy link, open new browser and paste it. Right now we will have how many links are there? Only one link. So we adding for first of all website link. Next will be called your social media links. Where do you add the social media links? The option name is called setting. Click for setting option. We can call icon. Social icons will be here. Amazon. What are the icons you require? You can add by icon will be here. Facebook. What is that? Enter Facebook URL. Add Linktree. Next, add icon. What is it? Twitter. So how many links we can add by the in this particular Linktree option? N numbers. There is a no question for particular. So here there is a not accepting for here. Reason only username will be added here using at the rate. So please follow the logics. What are the username we can add will be here that we can add here. Next will be Instagram. Before adding here, asking for what is called only username. Click for at the rate. Which username will be here profile. Only username will be copied and paste it. So this link will be where you can submit. YouTube description part, each and every content description part compulsory you can add it here. Where I'll show you in this particular link. Instagram done. Next will be I can add by the YouTube. YouTube what is called complete channel URL. So what you can call, sir, I don't have channel URL. What we can do? Simple. Go to manage video. There is called customization. We can use this particular information. Everything will be here. Basic info, everything here. What is called your channel URL. Copy this. Here is that. Accepted. Suppose this URL accept or not. First of all, check it out. Accept or not? Both can accept it. This will be direct go to the videos option. Linktree. And sir, this link is working or not? I have question mark. Already this link is are there. Refresh. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Click. Link is working. So first of all, check the link. Always remember slash video link we have to add it. Not for the this link, home page link. You always adding for the video link. Reason? Check the all videos. Check the all videos purpose. Next will be add icon. We can using for LinkedIn. LinkedIn.in username. So we can using for LinkedIn company page is there. They will not accept it by company page. We can see this. Yes. Add link. So total how many? Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn option. So everything is done in this particular icons. We can go to for links option. So for this option will be finished. Suppose any article is there, special articles. Suppose special keywords that you can add by here. So special keyword nothing but we can go to blocks. Simple. Click here, copy this URL. add link, URL, click for add. Here we can call special links. So any special links will be considered will be purpose. Here will be here. So automatically change your position. So what will happen? Here we can came from. They can highlight a topic also. They will be click for here. Yes. Most FAQs on fitness answer. I am fit in a IT City fitness center in IT City. It will be rating will be here. So then we'll click. They go to your particular article. So proper title will add and just you can add the link automatically. What are the title you are mentioned on the web page that will be displayed. So only you can home page we can add not like that. You can related pages also you can add which is highlighted pages. So how many page you can add? Which is main, which is a I have a main city, main keywords that you can add it. So it is easily represented by the here main courses, main trainings, main classes that you can represent by the here itself. In this place, you can publishing by your YouTube channel also. That also will be applicable. So this is a follow method. Add your Linktree option. So any further question about Linktree, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. And this link, how we can adding for LinkedIn description. That is called social media option. Go to here, YouTube, settings. Their option name is called upload default. Here, follow social media links. Done. Click for save. So the existing video also will be replace this ID. Not new videos. This ID will be represent. Existing video already uploaded. That is not possible. What we can do? So what is the here? We can utilize this particular future information. Add description. We can add will be here. Follow. Where it is called? We can go to option name is called customize. This is called basic info. What is the basic info? Nothing but your about us page, your channel about. Here also you mentioned will be here. Follow social media icons, publish, refresh. Link is working or not? Again, it will be like this. So link will be not working. So what we can have add will be here. So if your link is working, the show will be here. So that is the purpose. We have another option name is called here. Add link, social media. Click this and publish. Now you can refresh. So here, what is it? Second one, social media. Click here. So this link will be added on your website also will be possible. And this will be added by your YouTube channel also where one is called YouTube all descriptions, YouTube about us page. Second will be YouTube channel art links. So the three will be possible, particular adding for Linktree option. So this creation will be free. After sign up will be activate your email account compulsory mandatory free. So if any further question, contact my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.